Can I reset my PUK code if I forget it?
Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial. In this session, we're going to discuss the PUK code, a feature that is critical in ensuring your phone's security. Have you forgotten your PUK code? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This video will walk you through how you can reset your PUK code if you forget it.
What is a PUK code?
Personal Unblocking Key, PUK, is a security feature on mobile devices that protects your SIM card data. Your mobile carrier provides this code. If you enter your PIN code incorrectly 3 times, your SIM card will be locked. You'll need your PUK code to unlock it. But what happens when you forget this essential code?
Can I reset my PUK code?
The simple answer is no. You cannot reset your PUK code yourself. However, you can retrieve it. The PUK code is unique to your SIM card and is required to maintain the integrity of your mobile security system. As such, it isn't something you can change or reset as you would with a PIN or password.
How can I retrieve my forgotten PUK code?
So, if you forget your PUK code, how can you unlock your SIM card? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Contact your mobile network provider. This could be via their customer service line, a live chat on their website, or a visit to their nearest store. 2. Confirm your identity. For security purposes, the service provider will ask you to confirm some personal details associated with your account. 3. Request the PUK code. Once your identity is confirmed, the customer service representative will provide you with the PUK code. Remember, never attempt to guess your PUK code. If you enter the wrong PUK code 10 times, your SIM card will permanently block itself. You'll then need a new SIM card. That concludes our guide on what to do if you forget your PUK code. Remember, while you cannot reset the code yourself, you can retrieve it by contacting your mobile service provider. Never guess your PUK code to avoid permanently blocking your SIM card. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this.